Sierra.
I got $5 from the tooth fairy yesterday.
For that tooth you lost. So what are you going to buy with your $5?
I don't know. My parents said they might get me like this automatic journal that comes with a black light. So I think it might go to that.
Okay, good. What do we tell Sierra?
That's a good thing.
All right, thank you. Class?
Yes.
Let's continue with the EXCEL model. The C is for communicate. Today we're going to be changing the ending sound of a word to make a new word, okay? So if I say dog, say dog.
Dog.
Stretch it.
Dog.
Dog. What's the ending sound? Good. So we're going to be changing that ending sound of a word. In math, we're going to continue talking about greater than, which means more, less than, or equal to. And our focus word is perseverance. That means we don't
Give up.
The E is for empower. I empower you to be an
Expert reader.
expert readers. Think of the character. Class, tell me what a character is.
A character, a person, or animal in a story.
An expert reader also thinks of the setting. Hands up.
The setting is when or where a story takes place.
They also think if there's a problem. And if there's a problem, hopefully there's a
Solution.
And they also think about what's happening in the story, what's happening in their
Their
lives.
lives, and they make a connection.
They make a connection. I also empower you to check your friends. Let me see the sign for checking. Diane. Hey, why do we check, class?
You care about them and you want them to do their best.
So if you get checked, that means your friends care about you and they want you to do your best. So please fix it. All right, let's go ahead and do our promises. Stand up, hand on your heart. Feet together. I promise to be kind, stay safe, be a good friend, share my ideas, and take care of my classroom family. I